Do you ever step into your yard and feel like it's empty, dull, and lifeless? Does it frustrate you that instead of a calm retreat, your outdoor space just feels boring? If you've been telling yourself, it's too small to do anything with, that's the biggest mistake holding you back. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, because today I'll show you exactly how to turn even the tiniest space into a peaceful escape. This video is all about relaxing small garden designs for 2025, with calm outdoor corner ideas that prove you don't need size to create serenity. Picture this: a cozy corner chair surrounded by fresh green plants, gentle lighting that makes the evenings feel magical, potted trees that give privacy and a sense of calm, soft gravel or stepping stones leading you to a hidden nook. These aren't just designs, they're experiences. They transform a plain corner into a sanctuary where you can breathe, recharge, and let go of stress. The beauty of these 2025 ideas is their simplicity. They're budget-friendly, beginner-friendly, and work in even the smallest outdoor spots. By the end of this video, you'll see that your garden corner isn't too small. It's actually the perfect size to become your personal calm retreat. So stay with me, because wasted corners are just missed opportunities. Let's turn yours into a relaxing outdoor haven you'll never want to leave.